Hi guys, I'm Marlene and welcome to Marlene's How To's, my home and garden channel. If this is your first time here, I just want to say an extra special welcome. Today's video is just a quick update of my channel, just some minor changes. As you know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, that most of them are about gardening, and you'll probably remember some of these. I also do decorating videos. And I know that some persons prefer the gardening videos and others prefer the decorating videos, and some like both. So to make it a little bit more streamlined, what I'm going to be doing is just strictly uploading my gardening videos on Fridays. On Thursdays is when I'll be uploading the decorating ones. Some of those will be collaborations, and some of those I'll actually be doing, by myself. It's going to be themed Thursday tablescapes. And it could be consistent of 4 different types. It could be a table setting, it could be a vignette, it could be a tier tray, or you may just see me at my kitchen table doing some DIYs for you, like wreaths and things like that for your doors and for different parts of the house. And guys, to see these past videos and future ones, remember to hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell if you haven't already before you get off of this video. Now, on occasion, I may be co-hosting with someone else, and if their date is different, then of course I'll have to upload, at a different day, but for the most part, it will be Thursday tablescape where I do my decorating videos, and Fridays where I do my gardening videos, and some of them may just be shorts. But either way, I'll try to stick to the plan as much as I can to make it easier for you, more streamlined, and also for the algorithm so that everything is clear. So I hope that that helps. I thank you so much for tuning in today, and I thank you for being so faithful to me, to this channel, for supporting my uploads. I hope that everything is going well with you and your family, and have a wonderful day.